Hello everybody, welcome back to Too Many Hobbies. Today we are going to talk about the brand new, straight out of the box, the Greenbrier Gunderson Multi-Max Autoracks from ScaleTrains.com. I was fortunate enough, I picked up 4 of these on the pre-order, sometime back maybe 6, 7, 8 months ago. So I picked up 4 of them. There's the BNSF in white, and this is actually in the Rivet Counter series. I've got the Canadian Pacific in the Operator series, the CSX in the Operator series, and a BNSF in orange in the Operator series. So we're going to go ahead and open these up and take a look. So like I said, there you can see the box, Greenbrier Gunderson Multi-Max Autorack. This is the Soul Line or slash Canadian Pacific version. It's in a white. I thought it looked really sharp. I really enjoy Autoracks, so I know that Atlas has come out with the Multi-Max Autorack this year. This is the Scale Trains. Some really nice box. Nice packaging. It's well secured. Maybe too secured. Ooh, looks like they've taped it. All right, so yeah, nice packaging. It's even taped here on the ends. Let's see if we can just. Nope, I'm gonna have to cut the other end. Definitely don't have to worry about it coming out. Set the former there on top. It's got this nice covering. And there we go. So Canadian Pacific SO 519010. It's got some nice detail on the ends. All the real fine lettering and print. Again, the car number, excess height car, painted up there in yellow. Some warning labels down here at the bottom. So again, some just information labels, the car information. And here on the underside, we got all the detail, the different brake lines, and even the lines to the trucks themselves. You can see right here. Metal wheel sets. It's fantastic. So that's the CP version. Let's go ahead and take a look at the others. All right, so went ahead and got the BNSF out, the orange one. So we got these are 28-inch wheels. You can see all the brake lines. Yeah, even you can see there modeled the chain, steps. Lots and lots of detail in the paint throughout here. I'm very impressed with Scale Trains. I've bought some of their other products. I think ScaleTrains.com, they do an excellent job of producing some fantastic models. I'm going to assume, if somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, but the BI, I've seen that now on all 4 of these. I'm going to assume that's the bi-level. So there's 2 levels within here, within the Autorack, when they have load cars. There's tri-levels out there. That's why they denote that. But yeah, you can just see, look at the detail in the doors. Now the doors don't open on these, to my knowledge. They don't look like they do, but a lot of detail in there. TTX, it's got the undercarriage TT GX. Got the car number there. I really love BNSF. My grandfather worked for Burlington Northern for a little bit, a long time ago. So I really like them. And where I was originally from, I saw a lot more BNSF. But where I'm at now, where I live now, is CSX territory. So here's the CSX bi-level multi-max Autorack. Again, this has got a TTGX undercarriage. Same 28-inch wheels, all the detail here underneath with the different lines and the cut levers and you name it. They've modeled it here, so turned out really well. Looks fantastic. So like I said, the scale trains, those are the Operator series. Those three are from the Operator series. I'm gonna pull out the next one. I'll set these off to the side real quick. There's some great instructions. Just tells you about the different parts, also the different pieces, how to take them apart if you so felt the need to do that. But there's all kinds of instructions inside there. Great information from them. But we're going to touch on the Rivet Counter one here next. So you can see it's denoted the Rivet Counter series, prototypical scale trains. This is scale trains is kind of like higher end series of cars or locomotives. So we're going to go in. I'm really interested to see what the difference is from the Rivet Counter version, or sorry, from the Operator version to this Rivet Counter version. I've had, like I said, I told you before, I have some other scale trains products, but I don't think I have anything from the Rivet Counter set here. Everything I own it happens to be the Operator series. So, all right, I got that cut off camera. That was kind of giving me a headache there. So this is the white BNSF version. So again, same packaging, covering, tremendous. Looks like we got maybe some more just the metal, the reflectivity there in the grading along the cars. Got a little bit more reflectivity maybe. And I think there's something you can see right there. You can see the trucks a little bit different. Got some more detail in the trucks, in the lines to the brake cylinders throughout. You can see there the difference. Kind of pointed out, but you can see all these lines run up and down the car. So looks like that's the coupler cut lever, actual hose there on the end. How cool is that? Lot of different detail here. You can even see the handle on there. It's got the tip painted differently. Kind of the same detail as far as the end goes. Not a lot different there. But yeah, you can definitely tell the detail difference in this Rivet Counter version underneath. You can see here where the hose line comes out to attach into the car and then back into the back down the line within the unit itself. All the different hose, the line connections here. It's really cool. Really cool. A lot of huge detail throughout this, especially on the undercarriage of the car. So that's really something neat. So yeah, so we'll put these on the layout real quick and maybe just run them back and forth. The layout's not really ready, but I've got a little bit of it started, so we'll take a look. But we'll go down there and look at it. So I hope you enjoyed the running on the track. Real quick before we end this, I wanted to touch on something. The Operator Series, I don't believe I think I misspoke. They do not have the coupler cut levers. The Rivet Counter does, to my knowledge. I'm not an expert in train cars, but that, I believe the Operators do not have those. Additionally, the Rivet Counter, so I think the Rivet Counter has, it looks like it has the rotating bearings on the end of the trucks. The Operators do not. You see some extra of those come with the Rivet Counter in a little baggie. So something else, to just another added huge detail that Scale Trains has done to these. So hopefully something different on the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I know I was excited to get these. They just came to the house today. I think they just got delivered to Scale Trains like maybe middle of last week. So if you ordered some, they should be coming to your house soon if they're not already there. Hopefully something you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, hit the bell so you can get notified for the next Too Many Hobbies video. And if you're enjoying what we're doing here on the channel, please subscribe. We'd love to have you back. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great night.